In this video, I will guide you on how to force apps to install on SD card. The first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now scroll all the way down and find the option of About Phone. Tap on that. From here, go to Software Information. Now you will find the option of Build Number. Go ahead and tap on it multiple times until you see a message that says Developer Mode has been enabled. Once that's done, go back to the main settings page. Here you should find the developer options. Tap on it. Make sure that developer options are turned on. Now scroll down until you find the option of Force Allow Apps on External. Now this is the option you need to enable. Once it has been enabled, what this does is allow apps to be installed on your external storage, which is your SD card, even if they normally wouldn't support it. Now, the next time you install an app, your device will allow it to be stored on the SD card. And that's it. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.